1 second, bro.
Keith!
1 second, bro. We are experiencing some technical difficulties. Sorry about that, bro. We apologize.
Oo.
Yes, we would like to apologize. At kagaya na sinabi natin, it goes to show
This
that
is
it's happening live na live.
Yes, pero don't worry. Uulitin po ni Keith yan ngayon na.
Yes.
Okay na,
We
handa
have
na
to be
tayo.
fair to everyone.
Keith, test natin ang guitar natin. Okay na? Okay.
Everything set? Do we have the go signal?
One more time, give it up for Keith!
Good luck, bro.
And then you sense a change. Nothing feels the same. All your dreams are strange. Love goes walking in. Some kind of alien waits for the opening. Simply pulls a string.
Keith, that was the first time we actually heard the 3 buzzers.
Yep, first
the
time for our
semifinal
semifinals. Well, bro, I think it's better that we go straight to the judges.
Yes.
Ang sakit sa tenga kasi, baby, nung gitara.
Super.
Siguro sobra ka sa electric. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari.
No, I don't think it's his fault.
Excuse me, sir, FMG?
Pero ang gwapo-gwapo mo pa rin ngayon.
I don't think it's his fault. It's not balanced. I think it's our fault.
Masakit. Parang yung eardrum ko magbaburst na. Tayo ba yan? Or yan yun talaga,
No,
boss?
tayo. They should balance that.
Gitara niya kasi, sobra sa electric.
Masakit.
Yun lang, hindi ko alam i-explain, pero parang yun yung feeling.
Miss Chris, would like to add anything? Sir FMG,
No.
anything else? Keith, how do you feel sa comment ng ating mga judges na maybe it was a bit too rock for them?
No, it's not the rock. It's the
The sound.
Sound.
The
sound is
distortion.
too loud.
It's painful.
Okay, I don't know how to explain this, pero okay lang po.
But was that your intention?
Maybe hindi, kasi po, talagang pong timplado na po yung effects ko and maybe po
Nilagyan
yung
yan siguro
equalizer
sobrang
po ng
effects.
Ano yung
audio.
effects na yun?
Sobra sa effects.
Yung electric,
yung electric.
Maybe po sa audio po na lumalabas sa speaker. Kasi po, dito naman po sa amp ko
monitor.
is okay naman po.
Kasi,
Matalas po
Keith-
siya sa monitor.
All here on stage for Keith, actually, okay yung naririnig niya. Maybe
Yes.
yung templado dyan sa labas, sa house speakers natin, medyo napalakas siguro ang gitara or something. But I think he still did a great job,
Good job, bro.
performing. So, para sa mga teenagers at hindi na teenagers na idol itong si Keith, gusto nyong may gitarista tayo sa Grand Finals, ito ang dapat tandaan, PGT Space Keith.